Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and this is a short price analysis video on the TLM because I usually get a lot of requests about the TLM coin because I think this is the main coin where the lot of subscribers came from. So let's head over to the coin market cap. 82% increase in volume, a very good sign. 10% rise in price, that's a great sign, good bullish sign. Now important thing guys, this is a 4-hour chart. The important thing is that last time when this area was tested, when the price went up, the candles never stayed above the level. It went down again, it again tested and got down. Now at this time the situation is different. It is a bit different. Why? Because the price went up, now it is staying above the level. You can see 3 weeks and getting rejected from the downside. So we might take a look at this one. You can see this is the swing high candle and you can see the relation, it is getting rejected. So it's a good sign and we might be forming a new support at 0.3049. previously it was stayed at 0.27. now we might be staying above 0.3049. so it's a good sign for the TLM coin. We might be in a situation of consolidation because we have this area getting tested multiple times. Okay, so 0.3166 in between, so we might going to see a consolidation at this point and then a breakout to 0.35. so my next target is 0.35 would be our next target. Why? Because we are in the phase of consolidation right now. We have broken the previous resistance. Here it was a resistance previously, okay, and the price is staying above. So this is the first sign. And if I turn on this tool, let me show you this one, we might be in a uptrend here. We might going to find price is going to it's going in that direction. So no, might not be a good trend line, but here it is. This is what I have to tell you. That's be prepared for 0.35. it can come anytime, but in the worst case, what could be the worst case? The worst case could be that if we see a price fall from this area, and only because the Bitcoin is falling, you can see 14% volume down. So when the Bitcoin falls, you see the other altcoins follow the same pattern. So you have to be prepared for that. But in case this area gets broken on the downside, you can again place your buy orders around 0.27 because this is a strong support. So this is the current scenario of the TLM, guys. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.